The spectacular Roman baths in Bath in Somerset have reportedly lost £90,000 after banning cash from being thrown into an effective wishing well and installing a contactless card payment system instead. The Telegraph reported how the Roman Baths Foundation had seen a shortfall of tens of thousands of pounds as disengaged wishers are turning their backs on card payments to make votive offerings. The paper says the charity has seen donations fall tenfold since banning throwing cash into the pool in March 2022. It cited statistics released under Freedom of Information laws that revealed recent accounts showing it collected just £9,490 in donations in 2023 to 24, a fall from £104,129 in 2018 to 19, the last full year the bath operated as a wishing well. The local Bath and North East Somerset Council says the decision was made in part due to a notable decline in the use of cash since the pandemic, and that the ancient tradition had begun to damage the 2,000-year-old structure. The council also claimed it was no longer a viable income source, as the pool would need to be drained to collect the cash and the process wasted water. But the policy has been slammed by campaigners who want to see cash usage continue as the spectre of central bank digital currencies threaten to do away with it. In a statement I myself find hard to disagree with, Martin Quinn of campaign group Payment Choice Alliance said, "A child making a wish with a contactless card does not have the same magical appeal. This policy should be reversed immediately. The British public should be allowed to have payment choice when it comes to charitable giving." The baths, known during the Roman occupation as Aquae Sulis, are one of the finest Roman ruins in the world and received more than 1 million visitors last year. The sacred spring and associated Roman buildings are one of the most popular attractions in the UK. The so-called wishing well was actually a frigidarium in Roman times, which was filled with cooler water to refresh Romano-British bathers as part of a ritual process. Mr. Quinn added that it was unbelievable that a charity would forego cash donations in order to go cashless, describing the policy as utterly mad. He added, "The march towards a cashless society needs to stop. What's next? The tooth fairy going cashless?" A spokesman for Bath and North East Somerset Council said, "The Roman Baths is a post-pandemic success story, and in the last financial year it generated more income from ticket sales and other activities than ever before. In addition, our priority is to care for and conserve the Roman Baths, one of the world's great historic sites." The tradition of throwing coins into the water had begun to damage the 2,000-year-old structure of the circular bath, putting the monument at unnecessary risk. Managing water-damaged coins and the declining cash usage post-pandemic further supported our decision to look at other ways to encourage support. Ironically, the attached museum within the baths is home to a number of votive offerings that are centuries old, including coins and defixiones or pleas or curses that were thrown into the sacred waters attributed to the compound goddess Sulis Minerva. So, what do you think? Should visitors be able to throw cash into the pool? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.